How to add a single take camera to the lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. Now on the home screen, touch and hold. Then tap on wallpaper and style. Next, tap on the lock screen panel. Then tap on the widget panel. From here, tap on camera. Then choose custom camera. Next, tap on the start button. Then we tap on starting mode. From here, scroll down to the bottom and choose single take. At the top here, you can choose whether to use the rear camera or the front camera. And then tap on the back key, then tap on saved, and then tap on done. And that's it. Now go back to your lock screen. And on the lock screen, when you want to quickly launch a single take camera, just tap on it. And the camera will launch in single take mode. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.